Alright, here's the rest of my Marvel collection. These aren't part of the MCU, but they're still Marvel. So some of the ones I got recently were the Blade trilogy, the two more recent Punisher films. I don't have the original Dolph Lundgren one. I think it's only available on DVD, but I'm probably wrong on that. And like my MCU collection, if these are available in 3D, then I get the 3D version. So there's 3D versions of Ghost Rider Spirit of Vengeance, which is a terrible film, by the way. Both of the Andrew Garfield Spider-Man films, Spider-Man Into the Spider-Verse, even Venom is available in 3D in Europe. This and the Spider-Verse one I ordered off eBay UK end of November last year. They've only just arrived in early February, which is crazy. X-Men original collection. I've got the Days of Future Past standard edition in 3D, plus the road cut in 2D, and of course Logan, Dark Phoenix. So this is pretty much everything except the original Punisher film and the New Mutants film, which I've got on my wish list. I probably won't pay a lot for it because it wasn't a particularly good film. So that about covers it. If there's anything I'm missing, let me know. Cheers.